So our inaugural release into the run did not go as planned. Good morning, girls. How are we doing? Well, hello, ladies. We got Mr. Rex in here. Good morning, Hazel. And we got Babs right there. Miss Abigail, Miss Louise, Miss Thelma, and good old Rex in the back. Right there. Hi folks, welcome back to Hanbleceya Ranch. My name is Jason, and along with my wife Jen, we left the city in 2021, came out here to the beautiful state of Maine, where we've been carving out our own off-grid homestead. Now over the last few videos, we have been getting our chicken coop ready. We've got our chickens. The chickens are doing phenomenal. The coop is up. We're pretty happy with that, though we do still have to do a few enhancements to it that we'll get to. And in the last video, we put up our chicken run. Well, today, we've got to build a fence and we got to get the chickens outside. So let's go do that. So in addition to building the gate, we're also going to have to figure out how to attach our hinges to these T-posts. Now, I've got a couple of ideas in mind, so let's get the gate built and let's see if we can attach it to the T-posts. All right, so we got our measurements, so let's go build a gate. Building the gate.
They look like they were doing something wrong.
Oh,
how sweet!
That's so good.
He did such a good job.
I don't want you to get it, Mom.
What are you doing? Get out of there. Smell something? What is it? What is it? So you boys make her do all the work, and you wait till something comes out. She went running down between the outhouse road.
Yeah?
Chasing birds.
Nice.
I'm like, dude.
So, I've never built a gate before. You know that.
Yep. So what are you doing?
We're
Trying
gonna
to build
see
a
if,
gate?
yeah, we're going to see if my pieces
Fit
line
together?
up.
Well, it looks like that's what you're doing.
Ah.
That's not too bad.
No, that's not bad.
Just say hi.
There are benefits to this lifestyle. Being able to be out here with Jen. We have all three of the dogs and Mr. Sue. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. These are the moments that we yearned for living in the city. Even with Mr. Whitco here barking, that's a-okay with us. So I've kind of taken a back seat to this project. Jen has really come into her own on this. Not too bad of a gate for two people who have never built a gate before. I mean, it's got gaps and holes and and a ton of hardware on the back of it. Let's show the back of it. So there's the back, ton of hardware, but you know what? We built it, and that's okay.
And it'll keep the chickens in.
Yeah, it sure will.
And the dogs out.
And that's the whole point. And I suspect that we'll make a new gate at some point when we start improving the coop.
Our gate building.
And our gate, yeah, and our gate building skills. But being the first gate we've built,
not bad.
It'll work. It'll definitely work. All right, so the next step now is let's go hang it up.
All right.
I'll be damned if it fits.
All right, what do I need to do?
Pull it out. All right, folks, this has been a long time coming. It is time to release the birds. You ready?
I'm ready.
Please don't jump out and fly away.
Come on, ladies.
Come on, ladies.
Come on, ladies. Come on, Louise.
Hey, Rex.
Rex is like, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Hi, Rex.
Hey, nobody's following me.
Hazel,
you did it. Ants. Hey, ladies.
Got to admit that was kind of anticlimactic. They were all sitting at the door, and they're always at the door when we're not there, and they see us. But they did not all come running out like I thought they would. So we'll give it time. Yeah. Looks like Thelma's still inside the coop, though.
Come on, ladies. So good. Here. Anybody want to eat out of my hand? You guys are making me a chicken lady.
Oh man, this is so cool. The chickens are out. It's kind of crappy though. The winds are picking up and it's going to start raining here soon. But at least they're out and they know they can get out now. And so life for the chickens is getting better every day.
Anybody else? No?
So our inaugural release into the run did not go as planned. They were all out. It was good. I brought Tasanka out. We did a walk around with him. He was semi-okay. Then we brought Whitco out and he was semi-okay. But one of the chickens from one of the roosts inside of the coop, they jumped off the roost and then flew all the way over here and up and over the fence. The two dogs, thankfully our dogs are well trained, so they didn't go after the chicken. But it certainly was an eye-opener to us. So after talking to Jen, there's going to be a couple things happening. Number one, we are going to have to clip their wings. We're not quite sure how to do that, but we'll figure that out. And clip the wings. I think we're going to do that tomorrow night when they start roosting. But stay tuned because there'll be a video on that. It should be very interesting, to say the least. The next thing is, we had always planned on putting a cover over this because of the amount of predators we have from the air. I think that's going to be the next step, is to cover this so that they don't get out. So we don't trust, we trust the dogs, but only to an extent, right? I mean, they are cattle dogs. They are bred to herd. And if one of these dogs try to herd a chicken, they're going to kill it and they'll rip it apart. And we don't want that. So the best interest of the dogs, best interest of the chickens. We're also going to run electric fence along the bottom here, just to make sure the dogs stay away from the fence and don't startle the chickens. But we're going back again just to make sure that we protect both birds and dogs. We're going to put that cover on, clip their wings, and yeah, put the electric fence on. So it should be fun. All right, well, that'll do it for this video. Appreciate everybody sticking around and watching it. If you liked it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you folks on the next video.